vlog. It's New Year's. Well, this is the New Year's vlog. We just got to the place. I don't even know. Like, we don't have half the tent.
We meant to buy another part to it, which we didn't, so it's in our car.
So this is the situation. We do have a mirror though.
We have a mattress, we have a little table. It's just half the size that it probably would
honestly, it's kind of cute. It's kind of not
crazy.
But
honestly, the best bucksell I've ever tried. Pink gin daiquiri, guys. Get into it.
cheers.
Cheers. Probably that's not comfy. Okay, honestly.
Our bed deflated. Rain got in. Like shit, we finna be sleeping like dogs this week. YOLO. Happy day 2.
Funk soul brother.
Funk soul brother, check it out now. Funk soul brother, check it out now. Funk soul brother, check it out now. Funk soul brother, right about now. Funk soul brother, check it out now. Funk soul brother, right about now. Funk soul brother.
Hey vlog, we just left the fucking small club, the best club. I'll literally spend the rest of the week heading here.
That's our club.
This is what we've come out to.
And it's freezing. We're trying to go in for some warmth.
Yeah, look at her in her coat. So many people. So many doof sticks. Anyways, we met some guy, he was the DJ, his name was Nate. He was fun as fuck.
He was so good.
He just got a loyal follower and a fan. And all of his friends were cool as fuck. They waited until the very end.
No, honestly, weren't real friends.
And the one with the black thing over his face with the...
Oh, then Mars, was he a friend?
He was a friend and he was
kinda
hot. He was exactly my type. See, he's BTV without being George.
Exactly. He's like undercover in the techno.
So, yeah. Yeah. My camera's also about to die.
Oh, it's flashing. Don't you love you can say that? Like you're like a little vlog.
Little vlog. Camera's about to die. We'll catch you when we catch you. Recap in the morn. Illy.
That was like a projectile bomb.
Ghetto. The guys are asleep. And then Claudia's awake. These are the last times, by the way. Today's mission for me is find kick-ons that fucking kicks on. Because like even last night at 6 o'clock when we decided to go to sleep, I was like still ready to like, I was like, oh, I wish someone would come back and party with me. Can we come back for kick-ons later? Yay! Thank you! Kick fucking ons are on, bitch. I just completed my mission. That was such an easy mission to complete. 10 out of 10. I rate this place is also a fucking maze. I don't even know how to get through this bitch half the time. You just make it work. Like it's such a hazard when you're drunk, all of these. Chill. We're having breakfast, I guess.
Let's taste try. What's the other one?
So much better with salt. I gave it to you, it's on your lap.
Way colder than I thought it was going to be.
But good. Carbs.
Very salty, but I like it.
I love it.
Slave, lucky vlog.
Yeah. But we're having like a mid sit. We're all just quite frankly done. But we've got
And we have
Lude and Sanch and ASAP.
a little cherry.
So yeah, once we do them, back to the club.
Yeah. Back to our 10. It's our favourite.
We are going to Lude. Someone's playing some fun shit over here. The girls. They made some friends, they brought some friends. It's really good though because we can see their hearts. Yeah. Anything you want to add? It's crazy. Yeah. We'll catch you at Lude. We've missed a lot of it.
We're a little late, but that's okay.
But you know what? I've seen Daddy Sanch about 3 times now. And one more time ain't gonna kill us.
If you fuck with the UK, let me hear you say.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, started at 9, I'm looking for cruise overseas. I'm giving my lady a driving lesson in the 100 grand G. When you see me in public, no phone, man, I need some privacy, please. Good girl, she just on my face, like she saying I'm never gonna be. I'm a swim, I know how I like the niggas got me family. She sucked my soul, she started like Ash Cash. I keep on getting them flashbacks. Vlog, I just missed Shabba. Like literally, it was the last song, the last one that was just on. So that's okay. Just gonna have to live with the fact that I didn't see we've been here for that many days. Casual makeup sleigh. It's so cold in the wind.
I think I have to go.
It's hot out there in the sun, but it's cold. Yes, please. Yeah. Mimosa time. Yeah, you look cute.
Thanks, I'm putting on different lushes. They're a bit
bigger,
long.
a bit nicer. Love that.
Breakfast. Freaky dreams. Thinking about your body makes me weak at the knees.
Banana and alcohol make me feel a bit.
This is kind of my year.
Yeah. My best weight was lewd. 100%. I think lewd was the best. What about you?
I did like lewd and this little small tent that we found.
Oh, small club. Small club went off. What about you?
I love. I'm thinking Jungle Giants.
Jungle Giants?
He was amazing. He was an opera.
Love it. Love it. Tara, favourite bit this week so far?
The weather today.
The weather today. Fuck yeah. It's a great one. Thanks, Beck.
Crocodile.
Fuck yeah. Snap.
Press one.
Oh. Oh! It actually got me. Do I? Oh, what flavour? Alright. Let me grab a chaser.
Go.
Oh, we hold that. My bananas down.
No.
Slay. Oh, beautiful. I cannot drink vodka.
Woo! Party animal.
Ella, favourite beer? It's a video. No, this week, what was your favourite?
TV so far.
What was my favourite?
Yeah.
I mean, we still have today.
Definitely Daddy Dom.
I'm sorry, was yours not being surprised by the boy you're talking
Oh, I'm being surprised. I forgot about that. Yeah, that was really cool.
That's a good attitude. Alright. While you're here, while you're ready, favourite bit this week so far?
Fucking Rufus.
Rufus.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
For sure.
And you?
Oh, Dom yesterday was pretty good.
Yeah, Dom went
Mine's between Dom and Lude.
Yeah.
Lude
Lude was good. We got a good spot for it.
Yeah, that was good.
And you? Favourite beer this week?
Daddy Dom does not disappoint.
Ever. Was that my first time seeing him?
Nah, that's third.
My first.
Oh yeah, first.
Anyways, get your pick. George, you got to do your favourite bit of this week. That's nice.
What's your favourite part?
Favourite act? Mine was Lude. Most of is Dom.
Dom Dollar.
One of the two. Yeah.
Is it on a video?
Yeah. Just like freak you all night till the sun comes up.
Holy shit, that's strong.
Oh, great catch.
Oh my god, that didn't work. I want to kick it. You guys want to whack it? What do you think? Oh, fuck. Here we go. You play. What are you about to do? I'm so scared he's going to break someone's wrist or something, eh? Yeah, don't hit the fucking
Okay, I want to go.
I think we're about to go.
Just sit down. Bottles up.
Bottles up. We have a bottle of vodka. Not our thing.
Hats.
Yeah.
You sure you don't want my love dad's hat? You're going to get burnt.
Maybe.
It works with the fit.
I'm gonna go put a love hot dad's hat. Because today, New Year's Eve is hot as fuck.
It's also themed dad core.
That is true, so I'll be on theme.
Wearing Tar's hat, so thanks her. Yeah.
I came, I saw, I praise the Lord and break the law. I take one and take some more. Alright.
Horrible cover. played by JT through a speaker, potentially bass boosted, maybe a little sound class doof doof to it, but that's it. JT is JT like that. It's a choir. Chill. Anyways, and they fucking put this mist thing up.
It's not just a mist, it's like a
It's
sprinkler.
water.
And some lady in the crowd spraying her. I don't even know what that was.
It was a
bottle
fucking
of-
weed,
Yeah,
like
a
what you spray
worker
weeds with.
pulling everyone down in the dance zone.
Like a fucking, what's it called? Weed killer. I don't know. My mum would know. Going to get our portable. Simon said that we can have it for free today if we get there before 5 o'clock. It's now 4 o'clock and we have to walk back to camp, get the portable,
Chicken curry.
and then walk back to here. Chicken curry. We should have a look at the church later.
Yeah, we should.
There's a church here, you can get married. Maybe I'll find someone to get married to.
So, catch you then.
Just went with the girls for a boogie in the dance dome. Now, we're just taking a momentary sit down. DJ Heartstrings in the background, we back to humming. Yeah. Yeah. I thought we needed to do a quick catch up. Quick nap, quick reset, change shoes, comfy. I don't know if you can see them, it's so dark, but let's look into the light. We just saw flight facilities, which was very unexpected, and now I have to come home. You best believe it. Yeah. It's 11:30. It's the new year. I don't know if y'all can hear us, but we went to Katama for the countdown. So good. Facts.
Favorite
So good. And
of the whole meeting.
everyone went to Peggy. So there was like no one in there. You could breathe, you could move, you could dance. Loved it. I lost my Balenciaga sunnies.
So sad.
They're actually my sister's. But she has 2 pairs, so can't really be mad. I'm hoping. And yeah, we did actually make it for a little bit of Peggy.
We did.
And Slay. The night finishes in a bit still, but we're just vibing. We packed up half the car as well. We didn't vlog that.
No.
We packed up half the
We
car.
just have the tent.
Yeah, all it is a tent and a bed.
And we honestly we cleaned up everything in the tent. So organised now.
So organised. And we just need to figure out how the fuck to leave this bitch. yeah. Hope you can see us. Earlier.